In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FreshBooks as a contractor. So if you're a contractor, the easiest way to get paid is by making invoices. So click on invoices and make a new invoice. And once you've done that, just bill it to a client that you have been working for. And for example, I have client 2 right here, and for example, contractor project, and just add it manually to the description. For example, it is contractor project 1, and the rate would be around 1000. And once you've done that, just make sure that you have set up all the needed, for example, if you want a discount, or you want to add a discount, or a payment schedule. But once you have finished adding the necessary description, just click on send to, and it will automatically send to the client that you are working for. And just click on send invoice, or you can share via link. And that's about it. That's how to use FreshBooks as a contractor. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.